Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the exact Sonoff model and its rated load so you don't overload circuits. Turn off the breaker and verify 0 voltage with a multimeter or tester, safety first. Next, install eWeLink, sign in, and enable phone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, open the app and choose Add Device to begin pairing. This immediate action saves time and prevents mistakes. Make sure your router is 4 GHz and your phone is near the switch. You'll now wire the Sonoff. Attach live and neutral to the input terminals and the load wire to the output, keeping ground connected if required. Use a reliable screwdriver and tighten screws firmly so no conductor slips. Loose wiring causes heat and disconnects. Once wired, restore power and put the device into pairing mode per the manual. In the app, select your 4 GHz network, enter the password, and wait for confirmation. If pairing stalls, try resetting the device and repeat quickly. You finish by testing every control path. Press the Sonoff button, toggle from the app, and trigger any automation or voice commands you set up. Configure schedules and scenes for daily routines and link Alexa or Google if desired. Make sure you grant necessary skill permissions. Once everything works, secure the enclosure and label the circuit. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the router, confirm 4 GHz availability, and if needed, reflash or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.